jingiakilan met hapdeng shipai India mat shipai Malaysia kabalatip kum kahari mua sakti kalakut no negus ni sajan haka join training Umroi containment Shillong kani ke jingiakilan met kadai kabala penlong da ke jingtu man Pynkhlain nya ke jingiatreilang hapdeng shipai jongkini ki arteli kiri kani ke jingiakilan met kala sedang na do ka arpulai ter ke risau kadai ke jingiakilan met ka ba pher bha ha ka ba baro ke shipai na ki arteli kiri kala pen i ya ki sap yele bat banlong halor ya ki ek baro hamba ngau tu ya ke jingkong san ban nang ban tiep ya ki bo yele haman ki khap kani ke jingiakilan met kala ay kalat ikini ke shipai na baro arli bakin yo ek jingikai hakir kom penlong ki kam lek khanra haba ki lek lang hapo ka kanhun jong United Nation kini ke shipai ki don komba shispa arphomut na ka 6th battalion jong ka Rajput regiment ka Indian Army but 5th Royal Battalion jong ka Malaysian Army kalawan bani shimenta ha kani ke jingiakilan man.
The exercise which is conducted in Umroi Joint Training Node have been an outstanding amalgamation of traditional and contemporary training methods with cutting-edge technology to shape the next generation of leadership. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we go and see certain facilities, I would like to highlight the state-of-the-art facilities through a short video because it is very difficult to cover the entire 2,500 acres of land in 1 or 2 days. We made a short video which will help you in understanding the training assets, and we will give you a write-up on each training assets which will make you understand what kind of a training assets we have and what kind of a training do we do it.